I was just sent this air fryer. This came packaged really well, and it came with your protective mat and a little filter in here. So we're gonna get this thing unwrapped, get it plugged in, and then I've got some chicken I wanna make up for my lunch here. So on the top, it does have this nice sticker on there that tells you don't use oil because you don't need it. And of course, because it's a new item, the first time you use it, it's gonna have a little smoke and a little funky smell, but that's just burning off all the new. And then you are ready to go. So this thing is beautiful. It's nice, pretty, shiny black. It's got your big 6-quart area here. And this can all go in the dishwasher, which is amazing because that has always been a challenge with air fryers, is trying to clean out all of this mess. So we're gonna get this plugged in and I'm gonna run it to get the smell out, and then I'll bring you in here close and we'll cook up some chicken. Now I've had this thing heating up. This is really nice. It's got this really pretty temperature display all on the top that just allows you to do up to 14 different preset options. So I'm gonna turn it off so we can start back over here because I had 7 minutes left. And then you see all of the different options that show up here for you, all the way from your chicken wings up to potatoes, defrost, or you can do your own DIY setting. So all you have to do is just hit your menu and it highlights the item, tells you the degrees and how long it cooks, and then it cycles through each one of them for all of that. Or if you didn't want that, you can actually just do it yourself. Now this does have an upper and a lower heating, which is amazing. I have not seen that in air fryer, so that is really nice. Then you can select if you want more time or less time. You can select your temperature, and it just goes up in different segments from 392 all the way down to 104. You can set all of that, and then you can either select your base heating or upper heating or both. You've got your play and pause button here. And then you can also delay start it. So if you weren't going to be here, you wanted to start something here in a little while because you got to run off and do something, you can delay start it and just select how many hours you need that to delay to start. So we're gonna go ahead and you start it up here. So now I've got this playing, and as you can see, you've got this really nice area here that's a nice viewing window into the air fryer. Now, whenever you're ready to open it, everything shuts down. It says that it's opened and it's not gonna run until you close it back up. So I'm gonna add in my food and then we will close it back up. So I've got my chicken in there. As soon as I close it up, it instantly goes back to where we wanna have it. And now we will let the chicken cook and we'll check in on it whenever it's done. All right, so my chicken is now done and it looks so good. This is a 1700 watt dual heating. So I didn't have to flip it. And I mean, the top and the bottom's got a nice browned color all around the chicken. And it's got 11 blades of the fan in here. So that way it actually will circulate the air better. And then you do have this filter on the top that I had to install. And once that cools down, you can remove that as well. But you can see all those heating coils in there. This is a beautiful machine. It's quiet. Love that it is dishwasher safe. And it sits beautifully on any countertop.